Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Thursday, October 13th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. A little bit of surprise into this market. You actually had corn and wheat leading the way higher today and had very high close for all grains in general. So about 8 to 9 cent higher in corn. Same situation into beans, and then anywhere from 5 to 8 there in beans. And then the wheat market, really the leader out of it, 11 to 19 cents higher. So where this came from, no one really knows. They're sitting here shaking their head as you're looking at this crop report from yesterday and saying, you know, what changed? Fundamentally, there's no backing to this rally. You really did get some neutral to slightly bearish numbers yesterday into this crop report. There is a very big crop coming, and so we know this. Not only that, but along with the very big production that's coming, you already have USDA built in huge demand numbers. So it's not like you're really going to come in here and see a shocker where you get this huge high demand number to eat away some of that carry out. We already have a lot of that plugged in here, and really for the most part soybeans staying behind pace as far as it goes where they should be on exports, and you still had USDA increase exports on soybeans yesterday. So very big crops out there, but they were able to rally. This is a gift for marketing, especially for grains that have to be delivered at harvest. The downfall is that basis is extremely wide. A lot of these elevators are looking at these crops and not really knowing what to do with the volume as they're dealing with more beans than they've really ever dealt with, and these yields are extremely high as well, that these basis levels are really starting to widen out here. So this rally is really a gift to help offset that for those bushels that need to be cashed out here in the next couple weeks. Meat markets, once again, live cattle just could not keep it together. Feeders could not either, over $2 lower in both of those. You are now at new lows that we haven't seen. So you're really starting to push those markets down there. Hogs were able to hold on up 35 against the cattle market, so that was a little bit there. And then those outside markets slightly favorable. Crude traded both sides. The dollar was actually about 30 cents lower. That's beneficial. I don't know if that was the driving force between the wheat market. You also, to step back to the wheat market, you actually got some news out here that demand's really popped up here in wheat, as we are at a competitive price worldwide, not meaning that we're the cheapest, but we're competitive, but our quality is so well here in the US that we've had really good quality crops, that's been where our demand is really popping through. And then the Dow actually down over 100 points at one point today, once again now trading well below that $18,000 mark. Moving forward, what we're going to see is what managed money did here tomorrow. We also get export numbers here tomorrow, since USDA was closed Monday for Columbus Day. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.